So today we're going to be doing our second video with the Legos. Today I want to make it where a person can sit on it. See this? I'm going to make it sit. Okay. Well, let's make this bit down. See, this was our Lego from yesterday. From here. Now, guys, if you want to see, this is how we're gonna do. Right here. So today we're gonna be needing to try to get this thing off. Oh my god. So. Off, shoom off, shoom off, it's off. Now we have a clear white thing. Now we want to put a mini thing right here. See? We want to do it that. Now with these, this is going to be a longer video than yesterday. So this is all hard, but this is all hard. See, guys, like that, and then you're gonna go straight to that. Now I'm gonna put two blocks like that. And then you want to put, so you can know what sort of Lego it is. And put a mini thing here, right in the back. Like that. And also this, you always want to have it in B. If you have a manual, you want to have it in the B. Now, I'm going to put in more blocks there. Oh my god, let's take it off. So this RC car is going to take us a very long time. But also there's going to be a lot of tutorials. I'm trying to explain it. I'm trying to know how to do my, I can't remember how to do another playlist, so I need to know how very quick or soon. So then also you want to put this, like that, see? Now in front you want to put nothing because you don't want to make it that you don't see it. So, I need more pieces. Let me come back. There we go. Have one piece right here. It's going to be a bit colorful. See, so it's going to be like that. After that, at the end, we're going to test it for just a bit. Okay. It's not working as okay. Like maybe like that. See? Now we have a mini thing. Now we want to put that and that in the end. And put that right there. Like that. You see it's in front. And in the back, and everything's working. Now everything's working. Now I want to make a bit of a film. Let me just hit that. Okay, they're on. But yesterday I heard that we're saying this is broken. Maybe, I don't know. And we gotta put some tracks because I can't turn this. Yeah, so that's gonna be all for today, guys. Just gonna be doing a bit of a rematch on this one. Bye.